and I wish you all Happy New Year. Today I will show you food from Turkish cuisine, which is very easy and very delicious. Come closer, please. Half kilogram of bulgur and half liter warm water. What will we do is we are mixing it and we will wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will mix all of these and it will be ready. You will eat the easiest and the fastest and the most delicious Çiğ Köfte within some minutes. So see you 10 minutes later. Hello English lovers, 10 minutes later we're back. So what is raw meatballs? It's a food from Şanlıurfa and Adıyaman region which is prepared by kneading and mixing bulgur, isot, sometimes minced meat, tomato paste, onion, parsley and various spices and consumed without heat treatment. It is usually served with lettuce leaves or lavash bread, but you can use both as I will show in the video. Şanlıurfa Çiğ Köfte contains meat. Today we will show Adıyaman style Çiğ Köfte which is vegetarian and vegan friendly. So let's get started. After waiting 10 minutes, our bulgur became like that, which is kind of sponge cake texture. Before starting, make sure that you are wearing your protective kitchen gloves because this mixture is kind of hot. Now we will mix all the ingredients. And what are these? This is Çiğ Köfte paste. It contains 1 middle size of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh tomato, 1 fresh red paprika, also some chili flakes, like this, extra hot one. And also this, it is called isot. You need to put all these in a food processor or blender. After that, strain it to get rid of the juice. And it is recommended if you leave it to the rest for 1 day in the fridge. But also you can start right away. Now I am adding this. Now I will add this spice mixture. It contains black pepper, allspices, cumin, red hot powdered pepper. You can add other spices according to your taste and you can mix those spices as well. After that, I will add about 20 ml of pomegranate sauce. We will mix all these about 5 minutes. After mixing all of these like 5 minutes, we are having this texture. It is at the moment quite smooth, like this. It looks very nice. Now I will add parsley. It is about 10 grams of parsley. For half kilo of bulgur it is pretty much enough. This is cold pressed olive oil. It is very important that it should be cold pressed. It gives really very nice taste. And also you can add green onion in it, but I couldn't find green onion so I didn't add. So now I will mix this about 5 minutes more and then I will eat it for you. After mixing with parsley and olive oil 5 minutes more, we are back here. Now it looks like this. This is the real Çiğ Köfte, Turkish style. So we will just give it shape. You can shape it in the way you would like. I'm just giving it some simple shape like this. This is lettuce. I also like cornichon pickles, so I also put some. And I also put here lemon to give it sour taste. We put in it, if you remember, pomegranate sauce, and also it gives sour taste. But if you would like it more sour, you can add pomegranate sauce in it extra, or you can use just lemon. I will prefer lemon. So this is how we make Turkish Çiğ Köfte or raw meatball. So I was mentioning about serving suggestions with lettuce or lavash bread, and how do we serve it with lavash bread? I will show it to you. First of all, you need to get a little bit more than usual ones, and you need to spread it to the bread. Lavash bread like this. You can add some lettuce in it, some pickles, and if you like more sour than it is, then you can add some lemon. Just squeeze it as much as you'd like. After that, you can roll this and
Enjoy it.
you can enjoy it. So this is one of the way. Other way we are serving it as, we are taking a lettuce leaf and putting some raw meatball in it and squeezing some lemon, roll it, and then we are just swallowing it without chewing. I'm just kidding, of course you should chew first. So this is how we make Turkish Çiğ Köfte. I hope all you enjoyed this easy recipe and which is vegan friendly. See you with another Turkish cuisine food next chapter. Until then, hoşça kalın.